Calls of the daytime. We start with Reddit. Target raised to 197 from 150 overweight. Piper Sandler. They see upside to EBITDA and gross margins through 2025 and 2026. Best idea in the small mid-cap space, they say, which, Josh, you bought in November.
Yeah, it's a relatively recent IPO. It's still probably very under-owned compared to the giant social media platforms, but it's been around for 20 years, and it's launching new products now that I think are game-changing. One of those is Answers. So a ChatGPT-like feature where rather than searching message boards with millions of messages, you can just ask it a question, and Reddit data will surface the answer to that question and some footnotes as to where that came from. This is really important as far as the evolution of the product, but big picture, you're talking about a company that on some days hits 100 million daily actives. There are almost no other companies you could say that about. Cash flow is positive and growing. Revenue is 60% growth this year is what's expected. Goldman upgraded in December. Loop Capital, Bank of America, everyone following it was forced to. And I just think it's a story that's being discovered. So I remain long. I expect volatility. It's okay. I can live with it.
All right, a couple GEs we want to talk quickly about. Aerospace, top pick into earnings, 228 is the price target at Deutsche Bank. Vernova, price target 415 at B of A, 374 at JPM. GEV hitting a new record high today. You got both, right?
Yeah,
you have both still?
I do have both.
Yeah.
I recently trimmed GE, though, because it's had such a nice run. It's up 68% in the past year. But I trimmed it because I bought more Boeing, because I actually think this year Boeing plays catch up to the GEs, if you will. But there's nothing to complain about for GE. Larry Culp is doing everything that he said and then some. And I think the free cash flow is poised to work higher. GE Vernova is really much more of a margin recovery story. GE already saw the margin recovery. I still think you'll see it, but the big leverage is going to be in GE Vernova, where I think they can go from something like 2.4% margins to 13 over the next 10 years, and free cash flow will double as well. So I still play on the electrification theme, and you know I own Quanta Services, Eaton, and GE Vernova. That's 9% of my portfolio because I believe in the long-term theme. All right.